Hello viewer, welcome back. This is the part 5 of the 25 part series of the video where I teach absolute beginners in website development all they need to know about HTML. So in this video we're going to be learning the basic structure of HTML. We need to understand the structure of HTML in order to work with HTML. Then if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and also share it with your friends. You can also turn on the notification bell so that you get notifications about more videos just like this. So the HTML structure consists of two main parts, the head part and the body part. The head is where you include things like the title and also the link to the style sheet, the description of the page, the keywords, and so on and so forth. We're going to be learning more about these meta tags in the subsequent videos. So in the body tag is where you put things that will be visible on the web browser. So for example, I'm going to put a H1 here and say HTML structure and then hit save. Now you click on open with live server once you have installed the live server extension, and then once you do that, you see here that it opens up on our web browser. See, it opens up on our web browser. So the HTML structure consists of the body and the header. Now this doc type tells the browser that this is a HTML5, the latest version of HTML. The language attribute tells the browser that it is default language for this page is English. Language set to English, meaning that default language is English. And then you can see here that the syntax, let me also talk about the syntax. The syntax of the HTML page consists of an opening tag and a closing tag. This is what's called a closing tag, a tag that after you open it you need to close it. A tag consists of a greater than sign, a less than sign, then the name of the tag followed by a greater than sign. Then if you want to close it, you do the same thing and then put a / before the name of the tag. This is called a closing tag, and a closing tag can contain other tags within it. Now the self-closing tag, for example this one, it has no closing tag at the end. There's nothing like a meta closing it. It has no closing tag at the end, and it has some attributes. This is the name attribute set to viewport and then the value or the content of that attribute. Then also the HTML, the structure of the HTML, you can nest elements within each other. Like this body tag contains header tag, and the header tag, and also let's say div tag or the division tag can also contain other things within it, such as paragraphs. This is a paragraph. It can contain other things within it, such as paragraph. So that's the basic structure of the HTML. In our next video, we're going to learn since I've covered the HTML syntax and the structure, the next video we are going to learn about comments and then the break tag. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.